Hi there, this is Kristen with Hooks, Books, and Wanderlust, and I'm back today with another stitch tutorial to show you how to crochet the single crochet decrease or the single crochet two together. Decrease stitches are a way to eliminate stitches in your work and to give your work shape. As you can see with this swatch that I've started, I have straight edges at the beginning where I've worked flat straight rows, but then I started to decrease on the beginning and end of my rows and my work has started to taper in. So the way you make a single crochet decrease is you will work over 2 indicated stitches, and it's going to be 2 partially worked single crochets into those 2 stitches and then join together at the top with the final pull through. So I'm going to continue working my beginning and ending decrease stitches on my rows here. So my first stitch, I'm going to have my first 2 stitches here. I'm going to work my single crochet decrease over. So I've chained 1 for my row height, just like I would any single crochet row. And from there, I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. So from here, this is a partially completed single crochet. If I was going to complete this crochet, I would yarn over and pull through both of those loops. But because I'm going to work a decrease stitch, I'm actually going to stop there and I'm going to insert my hook into the second indicated stitch and pull up another loop. So now I've essentially created 2 partially worked single crochet stitches in each of the first 2 stitches of my row. To join them together and to complete my single crochet decrease, I am going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. So now I have gone from 2 stitches to only 1 stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and single crochet to the end of my row here until I have 2 stitches left, and then I'll show you how to do that again. So here we go. I have 2 stitches left in my row here. I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, insert my hook into the second stitch. Whoops, I split my yarn there. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook. So now, as you can see, let me take my hook out for a second and kind of pull this aside. You can see where that's tapering in even more than it was in the previous row, and really kind of helping to give it the shape that I'm looking for to kind of make this into kind of a triangle tapered top. So I'm going to show you this again. So we will go ahead and chain 1 and turn, and we'll work a decrease stitch in our first 2 stitches here. So insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert into the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 to join. Now I'm already at the end of my row with that, so I'm going to go ahead and insert into the first stitch and pull up a loop, insert and pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3 loops on my hook. And just for funsies, we'll do this one more time just to complete the triangle that I've got going here. So one last time, we are going to insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the second stitch and pull up another loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is how you work a single crochet 2 together. Keep in mind that once you have done a 2 together, sometimes you might see single crochet 3 together, and it's the same concept. It's just working over 3 stitches as opposed to 2. I do have some other videos for decrease stitches that are in my on my channel here, and I will link those in the description box below. It's the double crochet 3 together and the double crochet 5 together, which those would be good for you to see just how it's worked when you're doing a double crochet versus a single crochet. And the only difference there is you always wait before that final pull through, and then you'll start into the next indicated stitch. So I will link those below for you. I will also be posting a photo tutorial for this stitch on my blog, which I will link for you below as soon as that is available too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming tutorials or patterns coming out. If you have any questions or comments, leave those for me below and I'll do my best to answer them. And until next time, I will catch you guys then. Bye!